Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I will show you how to install apps from App Store with your Touch ID on your iPhone and iPad. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Let's start. First of all, go to App Store and try to get any app. Now tap on Get. Tap Install. Now you can see App Store is required Apple ID password. Now we are going to enable Touch ID to download any apps from App Store. For that, force close App Store. Now go to Settings, tap on Screen Time, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions, tap iTunes and App Store Purchases. Now select Always Required. Now go back to Settings, tap Touch ID and Passcode, put your iPhone passcode. Now enable iTunes and App Store, put your Apple ID password. After putting your Apple ID password, this is only for one time, and tap OK. Now, under Touch ID, iTunes and App Store is enabled. Go back to App Store. Now try to get any app, tap on Get. And now the App Store is asking for Touch ID to install. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.